Yeah, open them. They're yours.
Who is that, baby?
Ariel.
Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
And a mermaid.
Yep,
Yeah.
she's a mermaid.
I see that her tail. And her eye.
Yeah.
And look at
Flounder.
flounder.
Yeah, it's for bedtime.
Show Daddy.
Show it to Daddy. All right.
And a mermaid. Look it.
I see.
What is that?
Okay, open your other one.
Open the other.
Is that a turtle?
Who is it?
Clover.
Yeah, it's Clover.
Like them?
And the first.
Yeah, Sophia the first.
Squish his tummy.
It's no use.
It's no
Keep
use.
trying.
I told you that you are my best friend. It's true. And I'm not just saying that because of the snacks.
The snacks?
All right. Happy birthday, Alex. You like them, baby?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Here. Show both of them. Show both of them all.
Show Daddy.
All right. Me likes.